Hello. This is Rudy, and this is Roblox Sundowman. I don't know if I should be scared or worried. Probably both. Rudy is lazy. What am I supposed to do here? That is amazing. Did it? Well, not anymore. Is that Sundor? Flashlight. Lantern. Why am I making horse noises? Is Slenderman actually in this game? Have we all been lied to? Let's see. Rudy likes fire. No, Slendy can find me easily. I just want to see Slendy, man. I want to see Slendy. I don't got all day. This video is going to have to end at some point. By the way, I got into the ketchup, and also, I may have killed Link, and made a stamp of him, and put him on my shirt, and make him T-pose, because why not? Oh, I see. I go on this slowly if I want to walk slowly. But I want to run, because I want to see Slendy. You all hear that? That means volume down because there's going to be a scream. We're going to see something here soon. We better run. I see it. Hi, sir. You want to be friends? He didn't want to be Rudy's friend. I am Ruddy. Ruddy the cat. Ruddy the cat. Let's see. I'm Rudy, and this is cool. I can't run anymore. Light, and you get a flare. And power lead, because why not? This is gonna suck. How do I run again? Click to what? Animation. Female? Morse. Purple. Morse. Remove. Oh, you can only change once, it says. Power lead, light it up. I hear him. Not Charlie, I don't know. Slendy. Tell me if you see him, guys. Last time he didn't want to be our friend. Probably doesn't want to be it either this time either. I think that's Charlie. Please don't give us a jump scare. This is on camera and it might scare my viewers. Warning, there is flashes and loud noises. I probably should have said that at the beginning of the video, but I didn't. Running on stamina. You, take the attention off of him. Help me. Poor little Rudy. Well, that's it for this. We saw Slendy, we drank a Coke, and we had a nice day.